Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account on a laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or whatever. Okay, it could be Opera GX if you have one. And then once that's done, just go ahead over to google.com, right? Hit on enter. Now at the top, just basically click on sign in. Click on it. Now, once you click on sign in, it will ask you for an email or phone. Okay, you can just basically click on create an account. You'll be able to see this exact page right here. All right, so go ahead and type down or click on create account. All right, so is it for your personal use, for your child, or business? So I'm going to go ahead and select personal use right here. And then go ahead and type down your first name. Let's say your name is Ryan Christian. Okay, and then once that's done, add in your last name if you want to. If not, just click on next. And then after that, go ahead and give your date of birth. Okay, once you've entered your date of birth and gender, go ahead and click on next. Once done, go ahead and select your preferred email right here that is given by Google. If not, you could go ahead and create your own. Let's say ryanchristian@gmail.com. If that's available, well, you can go ahead and click on next. If it's not, or if it's taken, well, just go ahead and add in some numbers or underscores if you want to. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in 97 right here. And then I'm going to click on next. As you can see, it goes through because it's available. And then after that, go ahead and add in your password or preferred password. Type it down right here. And do not forget to type down the same exact password. Okay, just like so. And then after that, click on next. And then once done, for verification process, you'll have to scan this one using your mobile device. So open up your phone's camera, or if you don't have the automatic scanning for your phone's camera, you can go ahead and open up a Google or the Google app and use the scan feature. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and scan it right here in my phone. Now let me show you my phone right here. As you can see, once I scanned this QR code, here we have the verify your phone number section. Just click on verify. And then after that, just wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says, or it now says, return to your other device is done verifying. Now, as you can see here in my case, it says this phone number has been used too many times because that's correct. I have multiple accounts using the same exact phone number. So make sure that you have a separate phone number if you have multiple emails. Okay, let's say you have Yahoo, Google, multiple emails that uses the same exact phone number. You can go ahead and buy another SIM card and then verify it. Okay, and then once that's done, just click on next. And in the next pages, it will just ask you for a recovery email. If you do have an email or existing email, you could just go ahead and type it down right there, so that if you lost access to this account, you can use the recovery email to recover this account. And after that, you're good to go. You can now go ahead over to gmail.com and just log in with the account that you have created right here. And that is how you create a Gmail account on a laptop or PC. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.